This is the available space of the client. Her stuffs are disorganized. We will propose the storage solution, something modern, simple and economical, using top-of-the-line materials available in the market today. Most probably Class AAA laminated 11-ply marine plywood. Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We will show you our design process before the modular cabinets were being built. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. First, we will talk to the client to know their needs, and will take the as-built dimension and develop it in the CAD software. It will take some time of gathering design ideas. Now, the technical drawing is done. We will proceed to the next phase, which is to develop the 3D model using SketchUp application. Developing 3D in SketchUp will take few hours, but it's enjoyable. As 3D progresses, you will appreciate that the ideas are beginning to be interpreted in real life. The 3D is done. We will proceed in applying texture and materials to the model to look a little bit more realistic. We will add to the model some accessories such as hang clothes, storage boxes, shoes, etc., in order to be appreciated by the client the functionality of every module. We will go now to the most exciting part. Seems the right texture and materials are LED applied and the lightings are simulated well. We will render to see the cabinet how it looks in real world. Rendered images are done. This is the client space before. And this is our design proposal. Time to send to the client for her review and approval. Thank you guys for watching my video. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.